Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is a continuation of the other one. If you hopefully you watch the first one. If somebody's going to ask me how I got this thing, if you don't have 8x and above and you can't use object to path, I rotated it and it came out perfect. How did I figure that out? Well, this is how I did it. There's probably several ways. My rotation is centered. Well, first of all, I got lucky with my rotation, but I got about there and I had 8.4. Well, I didn't make a duplicate. Control D and make a duplicate and then rotate it. And I'm at 8.97. Well, I backed it up a little bit and I got to 8.78. And that was just luck. And then if you go 8.78 divided by 360 degrees is 41, almost. It's only 359.98. It's 0.21 of a degree off of being perfect. So with the rotation from our center, I did 41 copies. It says 8.8, but it's really 8.78 because Corel's just rounding it up. And it's almost, the last one is 2 degrees off. You can't see it with the human eye, I wouldn't think. So the easiest thing to do would be to rotate it 10 degrees, but your object isn't that big. So I got really lucky on that, but let's say, I'm not going to redo the whole thing, but you could make it a little bit bigger, or you could make the space between them longer. So let's just do that real quick. Let's rotate this one 10 degrees. 10 degrees would be the easiest, but see, we got a space. So what you could do is take your shape tool and move these two about halfway. You could even go more because it's going to overlap. I'm going to right click and make those align. So now let's try it. Let's just delete that one. Let's rotate it 10 degrees. And I've already got a copy, so I only need 35. So we'll go down to 35. And I'm a little bit still off. So let's move that just a hair further. And you remember, you want to stay on that line, and you might have to tweak these lines a little bit. We still got our nudge factor set pretty low, and you could actually crank that up a little bit. And now let's try it. Now it's going to be a little bit off even, but let's do it. Look at there. Now that's pretty close. I thought for a second, I thought I saw something off, but it's actually right because it's 10 degrees. 36 times 10 is 360 degrees. So that's how you can do it. Either or, you could make your ellipse a little smaller or make your object a little bit bigger. But if you make it bigger, then you're going to have to contour your lines again. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.